Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo! Back again. Luda. Feel this. This gets meaner and meaner each time, baby. Feeling real good, too. What up, Uncle Face? Yeah. I'm a bull in this industry, man. Some would rather run down and get one cow. I think I'd rather walk down and get them all. You know what I'm talking about, right? Look, I'm never going nowhere, so don't try me. My music sticks in fans' veins like an ivy. Flows poison like ivy. Oh, they grimy. Already offers on my 6th album for labels trying to sign me. Respected highly. Hi, Mr. O'Reilly. Hope all is well. Kiss the plaintiff and the wifey. Drove through the window, the industry supersized me. Now the girls see me in the rivers, what they cry me. I'm on the rise, so many people despise me. Got party ammunition for those trying to surprise me. It's a celebration and everyone should invite me. Roll with the crew or meet the bottom of our Nikes. Explorer like Dorothy, swipers can't swipe me. My whole aura's so mean in my white tee. Nobody light-skinned reppin' harder since Ice-T. You disagree, take the Tyson approach and bite me. Whoa, don't slip up or get cut. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Alright. Rappers swearing they on top. But I'm coming for that #1 spot. Alright, man. Scheme, scheme, plot, plot. Say what? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Woo! Hey, keep it going, it won't stop. What you doing, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Yes, indeed, Ludacris, I'm hotter than Nevada. Ready to break the steering column on your Impala. If I get caught, bail out Popo, I tell him holla. In court, I never show up like Austin Powers Faja. Father, and hey, I love gold, but can buy anything I want from the records I've sold. Jacuzzi hot, Cristal is so cold. Neighbors catch contact from the blunts that I've rolled. A pig in a blanket, a smoke and a pancake. Drop albums non-stop once a year for my fans' sake. I'll crush mics until my hand breaks. Then shag now and shag later till these women can't stand straight. The Ludameister got them feeling so randy. I'm double XL, so I call him my eye candy. Brush my shoulder and I pop my collar, cause I'm worth $1 million gazillion for $1 billion. Whoa, don't slip up or get cut. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Alright. Rappers swearing they on top. But I'm coming for that #1 spot. Alright, man. Scheme, scheme, plot, plot. Say what? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Woo! Hey, keep it going, it won't stop. What you doing, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot. Causing lyrical disasters, it's the master. Make music for mini-me's, models, and fat bastards. These women trying to get me out my pellies. They strip off my clothes and tell me, get in my belly. Stay on the track, hit the ground running like Flojo. Sit back in time and I never lost my mojo. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Ludacris sit down to take over the whole world.